Hey guys, it's TBW563 here. Today I'm going to do the video that everybody has probably requested. How to make a Code 3 Minecraft fire alarm system. So, let's get into this. So, the first thing you need to do, I recommend you build your building that you want your system in before you actually, implement your system. So, make the cutouts for your fire alarm. Usually, your pole would be 1 block space from your notification appliance, or your note block, or your strobe, like this. And then, and then your reset button will be near your pole, or like in a separate room, like in an administrative room or a maintenance room, usually. Anyway, so, let's get the color-coded blocks. So, I color-coded my reset button red, or sorry, not red, orange. But, I recommend you make yours green. I made it orange to color-code it with the reset, wiring. But, yeah. So, let's get into this. The first thing you want to do, go out as far as you want. So get your red and your orange concrete. Bring them out like this. Next thing you will want to do is this, and then you want to bring this out a bit farther. About this far would be good. And then bring it in like this. And then bring it in like this. So now your redstone should be like this. Now bring your reset wiring over here like this, and then bring your alarm circuit over around like this. Now we will test this, and the alarm obviously will not sound. Also, yeah, you should put your torches and your levers and your buttons in. But this is how the main circuit will work. You pull this down, it goes like this. Now the system would be figuratively in alarm. You push the reset button, the reset circuit is on. So that means that the system's in normal condition at the moment. So now that's the basic function of the system. Everything else is the code 3 stuff. So if you just wanted to see how to do that, then yeah, you came to the right place, I guess. Anyway, so now you need to get this piston here, just like in that demo. Now, piston like that. And now for the notification appliance, I colored it pink. But you can color it whatever color you want. Like I said, you don't need to make it mine. Now, let me see how I align this, because I want to make this perfectly aligned. Okay, so, clock is under the redstone circuit, or the alarm circuit. Okay, so, now what you will want to do, we're going to make a 3x3 redstone clock. So what I recommend the code 3 setting to be set to is the repeater on 4 ticks. That one's on 3 ticks. But, if you want to make your code 3 faster or slower, your choice, not mine. So now you want to make a redstone repeater set like that, and then do whatever tick setting you want. But you can't go to 1 tick, or I believe 2, because then the system will break. Give me a sec. I don't know why I had that much. Okay, let's see. Okay, so now get a lever, flip it super fast like that. Okay, that should be it. Now to do is get redstone repeaters and dust are over here, routing all the way back to here. So what you want to do, get a repeater here, get a repeater here, and then run redstone over here past your clock, then a repeater right here. And then they're gonna all go to this one block. This is our torch. So then, now, this torch will be is the code 3 torch. Because look. Actually, I take back the repeater setting to Vortex. Vortex is way too slow. Okay, here we go. Oh, oops, I messed it up. Sorry. Okay, hold on. Now we want, so... Okay, sorry, we're back online. So now what you want to do is you want to run the redstone up like this. So then the piston, you at least want to make your piston block the circuit, right? You know, block it like that. And then bring it up like this. And then go over like this. So now, now we are almost finished. This is a pretty quick build. So, now the next thing you'll want to do, right here, make a redstone repeater. Then that, and then this. This goes straight, and then to your note block. So, now, that is our audible circuit. This is our visual circuit. So, now, if we pull the alarm, the system will work. So, let's do that now. Alright, so, that was your, this is the tutorial on how to make a Code 3 fire alarm system. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial gave you some light on Minecraft fire alarms. And if you have any problems with it, go sound out loud in the comments. And do more requests. Yeah, anyway, thank you. I'm TBW563 and I'm signing off.